Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Stock prices, they can feel like a roller coaster sometimes, right? Up 1 minute, down the next, leaving you wondering whether you should buy, sell, or just hold on for dear life. Today, we're diving deep into a communication tech company that's been on a bit of a ride itself, RingCentral. If you're thinking about investing, you probably have a burning question. What exactly is the target price for RingCentral stock? Well, hold on to your hats, because that's exactly what we're going to unpack in this video. We'll explore analyst perspectives, consider market trends, and even peer into the crystal ball just a little bit to get a sense of where RingCentral might be headed. But before we get down to the brass tacks, let's take a quick step back. What is RingCentral, anyway? In a nutshell, RingCentral offers cloud-based communication solutions. Think video conferencing, phone systems, team messaging, the whole suite. It's a rapidly growing industry, and RingCentral has positioned itself as a major player. Now, back to that burning question, target price. Analysts are the financial world's fortune tellers, constantly analyzing companies and making predictions about their future performance. And guess what? They have a lot to say about RingCentral. Here's the thing, though, analyst opinions can vary. Some might be bullish, predicting a bright future and a high target price. Others might be more cautious, setting a lower target based on potential risks they see. So what's the takeaway? Don't blindly follow any single analyst's target price. Instead, use it as a data point, one piece of the puzzle. Here's where things get interesting. We need to consider the bigger picture. What's happening in the market overall? Is the tech sector on the rise, or is it facing headwinds? The overall market sentiment can significantly impact individual stocks, including RingCentral. Let's say the tech sector is booming. Investors are optimistic, and money is flowing into tech stocks. That positive sentiment could very well push RingCentral's price above analyst targets. On the other hand, if the tech sector is in a slump, investors might be pulling back. That could drag RingCentral's price down, even if the company itself is performing well. Okay, so market trends are important. But there's another factor to consider: RingCentral's competitors. Who are they? How are they doing? In the world of communication tech, competition is fierce. If RingCentral's competitors are innovating and stealing market share, that could put a damper on RingCentral's growth and, by extension, its stock price. So what does all this mean for you, the savvy investor? Here's the truth. There's no magic formula for predicting the future of any stock, including RingCentral. But what you can do is conduct your own research. Dig into analyst reports, look at market trends, and assess RingCentral's competitive landscape. The more informed you are, the better equipped you'll be to make smart investment decisions. And remember, this isn't financial advice. We're here to give you the information you need to do your own homework. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,